Hi, now I'm going to tell you a little bit about ReadWorks. So I'm up here at the top, I'm at the bar, and I'm going to type in ReadWorks, and I'm going to go ahead and push enter. And from here, you can go into click on ReadWorks, and it brings you to this page. Once again, you can either go up here and bookmark ReadWorks from here and click done, and it'll show up on this bar. It's already on the student's bar, so I won't add it anymore, so it's just an easy access. So when I click on his, it takes them to this page here. So then you're going to go into student login. Once again, if you don't have the code, you can always go back and look at this one, document 224HW3. I'm in the process of updating it right now, but since I know that he has been in here, I'm going to go ahead and just log in with Google. Sometimes it'll ask you to put in your email address, which would be first name dot last name at stu for student dot pfisd.net, and then you would put in your X number. Okay, so these are the classes here, and we have some, let's see, there is an assignment to do. So these are the assignments that have been assigned for this week. 2 reading passages. I want to go in and show you just a little bit about how it looks. So if you open it up, it has different things. Some people will have the ability to have it read it to them, and some people will not have that ability. So here's the passage. If you think it's too small, then you could just do the text box up here and get it back. There's some vocabulary. If you're not sure what it means, you want to see an image of it, you want to see the definition of it, some examples. It'll give you examples of that. And then it'll show you the questions that are going to be worked. And right here you see that the work is automatically saved, so there is no save button. Another feature is I come back over here. If I wanted to have the paragraphs numbered, I could just hit the P up here, and now you see the paragraphs are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Or you could turn that feature off. Sometimes it helps when you're reading to maybe have just a guide bar as you're going through, so you could just see each line one by one. And then when you are answering the questions, here is a side-by-side view. So here it has the questions, and then it also has the passage over here. So then you can see the passage and the questions, so that way you can go back in and you can find the text evidence that you need. So those are the features for the ReadWorks assignment. I'm going to go back to assignments, and don't worry about the reading mind shot here. So this person has reviewed, has submitted there's the assignment. It has been graded. So you can click on See Your Results. Okay, I gave some feedback and the results will be right here. If there was any kind of feedback, maybe I wanted you to go look at question number 1 and 3, it would have a blue number 1 and a blue number 3 where I gave you specific feedback on certain questions that you had. So you can also see the passage again, vocabulary, and the questions that were being asked. So on the passage over here, the questions can also be made bigger, or in some cases, if you have this button, then you are allowed to have the questions read to you. And it comes up with a kind of a microphone, and then you just click on it to help you with your reading. And that is the ins and outs of Google readworks.org. Thank you.